Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a couple ponies from insert name here. If you guys are interested in my thoughts on these ponytails and a couple of hairstyles that you guys can do with them, then go ahead and keep watching. So I'm going to show you guys how the Ariana pony looks like first. So this is what she looks like. She's 35 inches long. Like, super long. I don't even think I can that long. So I'm going to put this one on first, show you guys how easy it is to put these on. First, I'm just going to do like a slicked back ponytail. I'm going to go ahead and use, this is like a thicker elastic. I'm going to use a couple of these just so that it makes it easier to put on the ponytail. Alright, so there's my ponytail. I just want to show you guys how short the before is. And then, alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my pony, and it actually comes with 2 pins. They're super thick, so it's perfect. And then all you have to do is unwrap it. And they leave you this piece of hair so you can wrap it around so you don't show your elastic. And then it has this clip right in the center. So all you have to do is flip the pony back and then clip those pins back into the top of your ponytail. And then you're just going to want to wrap that piece of hair all around. And then once you do that, the actual ponies come with a couple of clips, and you just pin it down. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if you can see right here the base. It looks super sleek with that piece of hair to cover all the elastic. So there she is, and she blends perfect with my hair. My color is black brown. They have multiple colors, like different browns, and they have blonde. But if you guys aren't sure of what color, they're really good at helping you guys. So just reach out to customer service and just DM them, and they'll help you pick out the perfect color. Look, so good. So I actually think I'm gonna try to do a braid with my hair. She's so cute like this. So you can like do different hairstyles. You don't just have to wear it how it comes. I think with a pony, with a braid, it looks so cute. I'll probably wear it like this. So that's Ariana. So let me go ahead and show you guys the next pony that I have. Alright, so I took off Ariana, and now the next pony is the Hi, I'm Mia pony. This is what she looks like. So super similar to Ariana, except this one is 24 inches long. Ariana's 35 inches long, so this is about 10 inches shorter. So here we go again. Same deal, you just unwrap it. Has that clip right there. Flip it back. Clip it down to the base of your pony. And then start wrapping it around your head. Alright, so this is Hi, I'm Mia. And this one goes all the way down to about halfway down my back, towards my lower back. And I feel like Ariana Grande. And Ariana Grande actually did wear this ponytail. She wore it in her In My Head music video. So she famous. So this is the Hi, I'm Mia. And then again, the Ariana pony, which looks just like this one, but is like 11 inches longer. So just depending your mood. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys other ways to wear this ponytail. because you don't just have to wear it up like this. I have so many different ponytail styles, so I'm just gonna quickly do different hairstyles and just show you guys how this pony looks with my different ponytails. You guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked my different hairstyles that I was able to accomplish with these ponytails. I'm obsessed with these ponytails. Again, they're from insert name here. They're super high quality hair products. I'll go ahead and leave their link down below, and I actually have a discount code with them, so if you guys are interested and want to save 10%, my code is NicoleC10, and I'll actually leave that down below as well. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.